I'm Jennifer May. I'm the Assistant Operations Director, and I've been working here for 6 years. I grew up in Michigan. When I was a teenager, I moved to Texas, and that's where I met my husband. We've been married for 30 years, and I have 4 children. When my family's together, we like to go camping, we like to kayak. Every one of us just likes to be outdoors. Every time we can go out in the woods or to any of the parks, state parks or national parks, it's just beautiful, and we like to just explore and see what all the great things God has made. The operations team is 5 different teams. If we can get them here and get them cleaned up, get them worked on and make sure they're 100% ready to go, then we can get them on the lot, and our inventory team gets them on the website so that everyone can see them and want to buy them. Being behind the scenes, we can see how the salesmen work. We also hear from the salesmen when they're ready for a vehicle, and we can help get it done quicker for that customer so the salesman can show it to them and get them in it. And knowing that we got it ready and that customer was actually excited to own it is very nice.